if you have a sound wave that the wave is not nice, okay, the wave is like the pattern is not consistent, we call it noise. Pernah keluar dalam SPM seolah macam ni, they give you something like that, okay, and then they give you another wave like that. You see that this one repeat the same pattern, right? This one is like cincai, okay, scribble, okay, so this one is what we call noise. This one, even though they're macam up and down, but this one we consider it as still as music, okay, it's still considered as music. Music is what is something that no repeat, you have your certain rhythm, we call it new music. Like the sound that without rhythm, no certain pattern, we call it noise. Okay, so the waveform or wavefront will affect the quality of the sound wave, okay, of the sound. Okay, so you have to remember these three things, LFPF, and then the pattern, it will affect the quality of the sound. All right, and then we go to the frequency. Okay, so frequency, you see that this one low frequency, this one high frequency. Ladies have high frequency, men has low frequency. Once you grow, you reach puberty, you know that your sound wave actually change in terms of your voice change in terms of frequency. How to change your frequency, especially boy, once they have their Adam apple, right, their sound wave no longer like last time, right, like you when you talk is like when you grow up, you reach puberty, your sound wave become deepen, right? So deepen means that your frequency is lower. Okay, so the common unit that we use for frequency is hertz. It's hertz. So you see low pitch, high pitch, high pitch, high pitch, low pitch, like that. Okay, so you can see the pattern, you observe, you know which one is high frequency, which one is low frequency. So how the question going to ask in SPM, they sometimes give you one wave, they ask you to draw another wave with higher frequency, then you pandai-pandai lah, you banyak, but the amplitude don't change. Okay, so the string vibration with a particular fundamental frequency. Okay, it is possible, however, to produce pitches with different frequency from the same length. Okay, so the property that affect your frequency is actually the length, the diameter of the wire, and also the string tension. If it is very stretched, then of course your frequency will be higher, and also the surrounding density. The surrounding density change, your sound, your voice will change. That's why this one, what they call it, they put balloon. What gas is that? They use the gas, and then once you blow the gas in, the density change. So once the density change, your frequency can change. Okay, then of course now we have technology lah, we change using technology already. Okay, so this is what Nathaniel told us just now. Infrasound is below 20 hertz. We cannot hear, human ear can detect, but dog and cat can. You see, dog, they are very alert. Tikus pun lagi alert because their hearing range is wider than human. Okay, and then ultrasound, more than this, we cannot hear, but animal again, they can hear. Okay, that's why if we have this ability of insect or animal, we can become superpower, and then this is our hearing range, audio range, audible range. Okay, audio range or sonic range. This is the terms that you tengok baca soalan in exam, right? If the exam question said sonic range, you jangan terkejut. What is sonic? Sonic is audible range. Okay, audible range. So you see that this is how they communicate. Elephant communicate using infrasound. Bat communicate using ultrasound. You learn this in science form 2 ka? Form 2, right? There's one range of you have to write what is human, how animal communicate, okay, using sound wave. That's why there are some people when they are like kind of naturalists, they love anything in natural, so they go against ultrasound sonar application because it will disturb aquatic life. It disturb dolphin want to communicate, mereka sedang sembang-sembang, tiba-tiba ada bunyi lain, just you want to detect the position of fish, so it will affect their life. So those naturalists, they go against it. And then the sonar technology that we use to detect the petroleum position down there, also some people they go against it sebab dia akan ganggu semut. Nanti semut tidak boleh cakap, tidak boleh communicate, nanti kapal semut tu gaduh sebab salah faham. Okay, so that's why people go against it. I don't know, any one of you here naturalist, you want everything natural and then you go against something that to destroy natural, okay, then you will really hate this ultrasound. Ultrasound is very useful. They use ultrasound to clean jewelries now. Like you have diamond or the other dirt or something impurity on top of it. You use ultrasound vibrate and then you can clean out the jewelry instead of using chemical things. Okay, instead of using chemical. Okay, so you see that high pressure, low pressure, high pressure. So this is just information. Okay, just information. Okay, then source of ultrasound we have supersonic craft, rocket launching, aurora. All these things doesn't really affect our life because we cannot hear it, but it is everywhere. You tidak sedar because we cannot hear it, I just cannot sense it. Okay, but it is everywhere. Okay, so the frequency of sound, blah blah blah, still the same thing like just now what I mentioned, huh? Okay, so loudness of sound affect what? Loudness of sound affected by amplitude, and this is lower amplitude. Okay, very quiet. This is the range. This is just information, not in your syllabus, just extra information. Okay, and then the blah blah blah. How loud is too loud? That is different people, they judge differently. Okay, so some people they say, oh, this music very nice, then some people, so noisy. So it actually depends on your this toleration level. Okay, then blah blah blah, this thing, those who play music, they like this law. Okay, so this is not in your syllabus. And now we come here, application of reflection of sound. We have sonar. Number what already? Just now I asked you to write until number yes, helium. Number 7. Okay, number 7 is sonar. Hey, I got to write. Turn in this homework later on in Google Class. Saya bagi Emilia saja. Okay, number 7 is sonar. Okay, sonar means you use ultrasound to detect the depth of the sea or to detect the position of the fish. We use concept of echo, pantolan, echo. You shout it down and then it will be reflected back. And then the time taken for it to reflect back, you can roughly estimate how deep is that. This is what wave. Okay, so how? Because the speed of wave is roughly 330 meter per second. This is speed of wave, sound wave. Okay, so it go and then it come back. It go and then it come back is too distant, 2D. 2D, normally student will make it like 1D. So velocity equal to distance divided by time, right? 2D and then time. Katakan cikgu buang kamu dekat jungle, and then you want to get water to drink, jungle or mana-mana yang tak ada air lah, and then you want to get water to drink, and then you see there's a well. Wah, macam dalam sangat, you don't know how deep is that. You shout lah, shout apa-apa yang kamu nak shout lah. Oi, then you take, let's say it take 2 seconds to come out. Agak-agak roughly you estimate 2 seconds to come out. So your T is 2. I don't know distance. Okay, I don't know distance. Okay, so it is like that. And then I know roughly my sound of my speed of my sound wave is 330. Some books they wrote 300 also can. Depends on density. So now you know that the depth of the well is roughly 330 meter. Deep, very deep. Okay, 330 meter. Roughly you can estimate. Wow, so deep, huh? can I dive in to get water? Okay, that is roughly your calculation. I hope that you understand. I can actually finish the whole syllabus today. The whole chapter today. Okay, so sonar is this one. Okay, is to use to estimate or to determine the depth of water or the position of fish using ultrasound. Okay, this is what you call ultrasound, and then this is the formula. What common mistake that student made is that they loop up 2D. This is right, distance divided by time, but you loop up, you forgot that it go and then it come back. So you have 2D divided by time. That is how you calculate speed of sound. Okay, so you write number 1 to number 7. Already number 1 to number 7. Okay, calculation I skip. And then instruction, application of destructive in this one already noise cancellation. Okay, you can cancel the noise by promoting another sound wave that opposite of it. That one already explained. That is application. This one noise cancelling headphone yang sangat mahal lah. Ada dekat I don't know, but how effective is that? Okay, headphone, car, aircraft, they need to have noise cancellation. Okay, because noise pollution can cause what? Can cause defection already. Can cause what? Sakit jiwa, orang sakit jiwa. Okay, wait. No more. Wait. Yeah, then number 8, what is electromagnetic wave? Electromagnetic wave. EM wave. Short form, we call it EM wave. This one, EM wave, you look at the word, you have electric, you have magnet. Means that electric field and magnetic field is vibrating together in 90 degree. That is what you call EM wave. Electromagnetic wave. You heard the words that we call Polaroid. Polaroid is to filter one of the wave. It can filter electric wave or magnetic wave. Then if you have sunglasses that it has the Polaroid, means that it can really filter out the light. Unlike if you get sunglasses, cheap sunglasses like RM1 with star shape, heart shape, cartoon punya Mickey Mouse shape, that one RM1 satu pair. That one definitely no Polaroid. Polaroid is like that. Polaroid is the filter. You have a filter, and then in between the filter you have slit. Ada slit. Semua ini hitam. And then the slit is like the opening of the frame. Okay, so when you have electromagnetic wave come across, you have this is electric field kan, and then I have magnetic field kan. Magnetic field, electric field will be 90 degree to each other. Bila dua ini sampai, and then which one will be blocked? Blue color or red color will be blocked? Ini celah, opening that allow the light to go through. Red color or blue color will be blocked. Anyone can answer? Red color or blue color, which one will be blocked? Which one will block by the Polaroid? This is what we call Polaroid. Yeah, blue color. Oi, whole class no response one. I teach Huang saja lah. Huang, nanti we PM. Okay, video call alone. Okay. Now you see that this is Huang is Huang Jihe. Yeah, blue. Yeah, correct. So blue will be blocked, and then only red allowed to go through. How you can test whether your sunglasses is Polaroid or not? You just take two sunglasses, and then you pusing dia macam ni. It suddenly become dark color. No light can enter. That is Polaroids. Of course, Polaroid lens, there are many different quality one. That's why the price of sunglasses can up to 10,000, 8,000, 2,000, 1,000 for one sunglasses. If you wear that RM1 one, it actually rosakkan mata kamu lah. Yeah, the cermin mata gerhana has Polaroid. If you don't have Polaroid, I have that Polaroid film in school. When we have this sun eclipse, right? And then I have the black color glass also. I purposely order for the sun eclipse. Okay, that one definitely Polaroid, or else you get blind later on. Okay, so number 8, electromagnetic wave. You write down, electromagnetic wave is a wave that consists of electric field, and magnetic field, which is 90 degree to each other. You have electric field, magnetic field, 90 degree to each other. That is what you call EM wave. Dah lah nama dia E and M, mesti electric dan magnet lah. So if this is electric field wave and this is magnetic field wave, they will be 90 degree. In reality, you don't only have one EM wave. We have combination of many EM wave. So that's why but orange and orange must be 90 degree lah, macam ni ha. Orange and orange must be 90 degree. We have countless. It depends on the light intensity ha. So you have this one. That is the reality. This is what light. When you say it is wave, when you say it is wave, it is like this lah. Okay, but when they say it is particles, it become quantum physics already lah. Okay, different thing. So this is EM wave. Kalau orang tanya what is EM wave, you have to tell it consists of keyword. Like, tell me what is the keyword of EM wave. Keyword of EM wave. Like keyword.
Electromagnetic field.
Yeah, electric field and magnetic field. Alexis ka? Thank you, Alexis.
Yeah.
Okay, electric field and magnetic field must be keyword, and then they must be perpendicular to each other. Itu cara kamu jawab. It must be 90 degree to each other. Okay, that is how you define EM wave. And then we have whole series or spectrum of EM wave that last time pernah saya ajar dalam kelas form 3 kan. Okay, so now we come here. Okay, visible light wave are the only electromagnetic wave that we can see, because our vision range also limited, hearing range limited, vision range also limited, semua limited. So if you have ability like animal or insect, really very powerful, or okay, then the color blah blah blah, already explained this one, right? And then the spectrum, ini tak payah. Now this one previous lesson I give you another mnemonym, right? Makan siapa makan sudah ha? R is what ah? Last time was Rebecca. Now this year is who ah?
Rahel.
Rahel. Why I always forget? Rahel makan ice cream vanilla untuk extra. What already ah? Untuk extra what?
X-Men.
Untuk X-Men. G leh.
X-Men gemuk.
Oh, untuk X-Men gemuk. Okay, Rahel makan ice cream vanilla untuk X-Men gemuk. There is another one. Real man in violet underwear, extremely gorgeous. Violet underwear. I don't know. I have no comment on that. Okay, you can choose any mnemonym as long as you can remember. So this one I already taught before, right? So number what already today? Number 9. Okay, so you write number 9. Make it 10 lah, huh? Number 9 is the spectrum of EM wave. Okay, EM wave. Spectrum of EM wave. Right now, number 9 is spectrum of EM wave. This one, and then each of it you have to give me example. I will teach you the application. Each of the ray, ini terbalikkan lah. So we start from microwave. Microwave for cooking. You tulis Rahel makan ice cream vanilla untuk X-Men gemuk, right? So Rahel is radio wave. Okay, radio wave for radio transmission. You write radio wave for radio transmission, radio signal transmission. Salah cikgu. Call in again, can let me finish this application. Okay, call in again. You have less than 1 minute now. Call in again. Radio wave is for radio signal transmission. Radio signal transmission. Call in again. Okay. Microwave, second one, you tulis dulu right here, maka Nashville, Manila. And then microwave for cooking and for satellite or radar system. Radar system. Radar system. Satellite. Okay.